HeyGen and Synthesia. This text I got all the information needed for you to understand. So HeyGen is best for AI avatars with high realism, flexible customization, and business marketing videos. So the takeaway is high realism and you can customize it. What are the pros? Very realistic avatars. Lets you clone your own voice and avatar. Multi-scene editor for creating more dynamic videos, built-in AI scriptwriter, translation features. Often more visually appealing for things like product demos, corporate content, and social media. What are the cons? It's slightly more expensive than Synthesia, and the avatar selection not as wide as Synthesia. Now let's go to Synthesia. Best for corporate training, tutorials, internal communication, and multi-language business videos. What are the pros? Of course, we said they have more avatars, more diversity, and business-focused styles, strong multi-language and localization support, used by many enterprise clients, simple to use, great for non-tech users. What are the cons? Avatars look slightly more robotic. This is the main one, because the HeyGen looks realistic. Pure customization option compared to HeyGen. No real multi-scene editor, so video creation is more linear. So what's the conclusion? So go with HeyGen if you want better video visuals, custom avatar, and more engaging storytelling. Use Synthesia if you're creating straightforward tutorial or explainer videos, especially in multiple languages for business-like tone. I hope you understand which one is better. For me, I use HeyGen. I like HeyGen. I have an account with HeyGen. It looks more real, but it depends what you need, of course. So I hope this video helps you. See you later.